So this, and then he sees you jump into this crazy thing. You turning right? Left. Oh, there's a left, yeah. Jesus, Eric, what the fuck? Your tires are grippy, motherfucker. Oh my god. I was like, I could not trust my car to do that, eh? No, I would have. No, this car's got grip, eh? But you got slicks on there.
Yeah, it's semis.
Jesus, there's so much more grip on a semi than a road tire. Oh my god. Just passing Mozambique here. Fucking after going almost 200 in a fucking 50, 60 zone. Right. What's this fucking... Yeah, you just stay right there, buddy. You just stay right there. Oh, you miss driving your car. It's actually good nick, eh? So you're trying to break records, you don't need to break. Okay, you're not going right here, you're going left.
No, I'm just turning right and left.
Okay, this is the hub.
How's that?
That's insane.